So let's try this mighty riff by the Scorpions, Rock You Like a Hurricane. So we're going to start on an E power chord, 7A, 9, D and G, do that 3 times. Then come back to a G power chord, 3E, 5, A and D 2 times. Just an A power chord, open A, 2nd fret, D and G 2 times. To a C power chord, 3A, 5, D and G once. Move that up 2 frets to a D power chord 2 times. And we just repeat that 4 times there. So. Now after you've played that E, you can put a slide in, so we're sliding from the 3rd one, 1, 2, 3, to the G. A, C, D, D. And do that 4 times. Let's try that slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up to stomp tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.